this is where the real editing happens. If you don't understand the timeline inside Adobe Premiere Pro, you are not really editing, you are just dragging clips. In this video, you will learn what the timeline is, how it works, and why it is the most important part of your editing workflow. The timeline is where you arrange, cut, and control your video and audio clips. Think of it like a workspace where your final video is built step by step. At the first, your timeline is look like that, and after dragging a clip into the timeline, your timeline looks some sense. And then now you can see here your timeline divided into two tracks. The top tracks are for the video and the bottom tracks are for the audio. And this blue line here is called playhead, and it shows exactly where you are in your video. And the timeline works from left to right. Everything on the left play first and everything on the right comes later. And you can move clips, cut them, and arrange them to tell your story. Tell your story. In the timeline you will do mainly three things. In the timeline, most of the time in the timeline you will do mainly do three things: drag clips, cut clips, and move clips. Beginners master these three, and if you have mastered these three, you have started editing like a pro. And common mistake beginners make always is leaving empty gap in the timeline. This can break your video flow. So always keep your clips aligned. Now you understand basic of the timeline. In the next video, I will break down every tools inside timeline. So follow me to learn step by step everything. Okay, that's all today. See you again in the next episode.